Hello students and educators, welcome to another video which gives a brief overview of Business Management Syllabus. IB Business Management is a dynamic course within the International Baccalaureate Diploma Program that provides students with a comprehensive understanding of business principles and practices. This course explores how businesses operate, grow, and make strategic decisions in a global context. Business Management Syllabus has 5 key units. Unit 1. Introduction to Business Management. Unit 2. Human Resource Management. Unit 3. Finance and Accounts. Unit 4. Marketing. Unit 5. Operations Management. Let us discuss in detail the Unit 1. In Unit 1 of Introduction to Business Management, students delve into foundational concepts essential for understanding the business world. They start by exploring what is a business, gaining insights into the fundamental purpose and functions of businesses in society. The unit covers different types of business entities, including sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and cooperatives, highlighting their unique characteristics and legal structures. Students learn about business objectives, focusing on the goals and aims that drive business operations and strategies. The role and impact of stakeholders, such as employees, customers, suppliers, and investors, are examined to understand their influence on business decisions. The unit also addresses growth and evolution, discussing how businesses expand and adapt over time through strategies like mergers, acquisitions, and internal growth. Finally, students study multinational companies, looking at their global operations, challenges, and contributions to international trade and economic development. This comprehensive overview equips students with a solid foundation in business management. Now let us move on to the Unit 2. In Unit 2, Human Resource Management, students gain an in-depth understanding of how businesses manage their most valuable asset, their people. The unit begins with an introduction to human resource management, covering the essential functions and responsibilities of HR within an organization. Students explore organizational structure, learning about different ways businesses can arrange their workforce to optimize efficiency and productivity. Leadership and management is a key topic, examining various leadership styles and management practices that influence team performance and organizational success. The unit addresses motivation and demotivation, focusing on theories and strategies to inspire and maintain employee engagement. For higher-level students, the curriculum includes organizational/corporate culture, analyzing how a company's values and practices shape its work environment and impact its success. Communication is another critical area, highlighting effective methods and barriers to clear and productive interaction within the workplace. Finally, higher-level students study industrial/employee relations, looking at the dynamics between employers, employees, and unions, and how these relationships affect workplace harmony and productivity. This unit equips students with the knowledge to effectively manage and lead within an organizational context. The third unit is Finance and Accounts. In Unit 3, Finance and Accounts, students explore the critical financial aspects of business management. The unit begins with an introduction to finance, providing an overview of financial principles and their importance in business decision-making. Sources of Finance examines various funding options available to businesses, including internal and external sources. Students learn about costs and revenues, understanding how businesses track and manage their financial performance. Final Accounts covers the preparation and interpretation of essential financial statements, like the balance sheet and income statement. The unit also delves into profitability and liquidity ratio analysis, teaching students how to assess a company's financial health and performance. Higher-level students study debt/equity ratio analysis, gaining insights into the balance between borrowed funds and owner's equity. Cash flow focuses on managing the inflow and outflow of cash to ensure business stability. Investment appraisal introduces methods to evaluate the potential returns and risks of investment opportunities. Finally, higher-level students explore budgets, learning how to plan and control financial resources to achieve business objectives. This unit equipped students with essential financial skills and knowledge for effective business management. Now, let us understand Marketing Unit. In Unit 4, Marketing, students delve into the strategies and processes that businesses use to promote and sell their products or services. The unit begins with an introduction to marketing, outlining the fundamental concepts and importance of marketing in the business world. Marketing planning teaches students how to develop comprehensive strategies to meet business goals and customer needs. Higher-level students explore sales forecasting, learning techniques to predict future sales and plan accordingly. Market research is covered, emphasizing the methods used to gather and analyze data about consumer preferences and market trends. Students study the 7 P's of the marketing mix: product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence, understanding how these elements are integrated to create effective marketing strategies. Higher-level students also examine international marketing, gaining insights into the challenges and strategies of marketing on a global scale. This unit provides students with a thorough understanding of marketing principles and practices essential for business success. Finally, it is Unit 5, Operations Management. In Unit 5, Operations Management, students explore the processes involved in producing goods and services efficiently and effectively. The unit starts with an introduction to operations management, providing an overview of its role in business success. Operations methods covers various production techniques and their applications. Higher-level students study lean production and quality management, learning strategies to enhance efficiency and product quality. The topic of location examines factors influencing the placement of business operations. Although break-even analysis is introduced in the first year, it remains crucial for understanding cost-volume-profit relationships. Higher-level students delve into production planning, crisis management, and contingency planning, research and development, and management information systems, gaining insights into advanced topics like strategic production scheduling, handling business crises, innovating products, and utilizing information systems for operational efficiency. This unit equips students with comprehensive knowledge to optimize business operations. Students and teachers, should you like this video, please share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more videos on business management.